You can kill the lights, you can draw the blood.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie O. If you've never seen me before, welcome. I'd like for you to take a quick moment to go down below and hit the red subscribe button so you can join the family. We have a lot of fun over here and we're so chill. And if you keep coming back to watch my videos and you're not yet subscribed, come on guys, what are you waiting for? And if you're old, welcome back. You're an OG. So yeah guys, I'm sorry I've been MIA for the past couple of weeks. I've had a lot going on with me, but now I'm back to filming back-to-back videos for you guys. Did you get that? Back to filming back-to-back videos. Don't mind me guys. But yeah, today's video is going to be a really interesting one. I'm sure you already know from the title of the video that Google is picking my makeup look today. And this is actually a challenge that's been going around YouTube for a couple of weeks now. I first saw Nikki Tutorials do it, and since then other YouTubers like Patricia Bride, Dima Ume and Yuki have jumped on the bandwagon and done the video as well. So I just decided I'd go a bit out of my comfort zone for you guys today and just show you guys how I can come up with a look with Google. Guys, you know, when I actually tried to see how this video was going to come together, honestly, I chickened out of doing it because it was too much for me. Like, it was just too much for me. But yeah guys, I'm actually going to jump right into the video. So grab yourself a snack, popcorn, tea, whatever it is you like to eat or drink, and let's jump right into the video. So basically how this works is I'm supposed to type in my initials, so basically the first letter of my first name and first letter of my last name, into Google search bar, and I'm supposed to also put the words look behind it, and I'm just showing you guys as I'm doing it now. And I'm supposed to search. So basically when I search, I go to images and this is what I come up with. Now you see guys, I don't understand what is going on here because like there's so much color everywhere. Like honestly, I don't get it. The way Nikki Tutorials did it is that she picked the first picture that she saw and she was supposed to create a look based off of that picture. But I'm actually not going to pick the first picture that I'm seeing. There have been so many modifications of this look and I'm just going with Patricia Bright's modification. She basically just picked a picture that stood out to her in the image search box, and I'm just going to be using this picture from a Taylor Swift video, and it's just a screenshot basically. And in this picture I can see silver, I can see red, I can see gold, I can see navy blue-ish kind of color, and I can see a bit of brown in this picture. And basically what I'm supposed to do is come up with a look based off of all the colors I can see in the picture. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And yeah guys, let's just jump straight into the video before I talk too much. So now I have my brows done and I just brought you guys a bit closer in so you guys can really see what I am doing. I decided to not do my face makeup first because I don't know if I'm going to get a lot of fallout and I don't want fallout all over my face makeup. So I'm just going to start with the eyes. And I'm going ahead to prime my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. You guys know I always do this. So I've gone ahead to prime and set my eyes, and now I'm going into the eyeshadow. Looking at the Taylor Swift picture again, I did say I can see some navy dark blue and some brown. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is go into this light brown shade called Katina from my Juvia's Place Saharan palette, and I'm just going to use that as my transition color. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette and go in with this really dark navy blue shade right here. And that really resembles the color that I'm seeing in the Taylor Swift picture. I'm just going to pack this color into my outer corner first because it's a really dark shade and you want to be really careful when you're using dark eyeshadow pigments because if you make a mistake, it's hard to correct. After stamping that blue shade in my outer corner, I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush and just blend out the edges on top. I'm going to take a denser brush and I'm going to just keep applying that blue into my crease, just bringing it a bit forward and blending it all out as I go along. I'm getting really scared by this look because this is way out of my comfort zone, guys. After blending that, I'm going to go back in with another fluffy blending brush and just diffuse all the edges. And then I said I can see a bit of black in that picture, so I'm going to go ahead and take a bit of black eyeshadow from that same Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to take a little bit and deepen my crease with it. After deepening my crease, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to use that to cut my crease. And I'm going to now spray some setting spray on my brush. Then I'm going to go back into that Saharan palette, and I can see some silver on Taylor Swift. So I'm going to use this Iman shade, and I'm just going to pack that onto my lid where I cut my crease. And you guys will see why I didn't do my face makeup first, because this look entails so much fallout. So I've gone ahead and I've placed the silver shade in my half cut crease. And basically I'm going to stop the eye look somewhere around here for now. And I'm going to wipe off the fallout on my face and do my face makeup, and then I'll be right back, guys. Now that my base makeup is done, I'm going back into the eyes. I'm taking a lighter blue shade, and this is because I can see like different shades of blue in the picture. The predominant shade being a navy blue, but I can still see different shades of blue. So I'm just taking a lighter blue and smudging that on my lower lash line. Guys, this look is becoming very icy and frosty really quickly. Now that that's done, I'm going in with my LA Girl blush in Just Blushing, and just going to apply that to my cheeks. This blush is really fiery, so I don't want to put too much. Now that that's done, I'm going ahead to line my eyes with my Jordana Fabuliner liquid liner. And I love the way it's kind of giving me a blue line because of the eyeshadow. And I'm not winging this eye out because I feel like it's already pretty dramatic because of the blue that I already have on. I don't want to take it away from the drama going on the eyes. So basically I applied a pair of really dramatic lashes, and my lashes are from Sosu Lashes, and this is the style Taylor. And I just applied dramatic lashes because I really want this look to pop. Next thing I'm going to do is put on some highlighter, and I can see some specks of gold in the picture, so I'm going to be using my MAC Gold Deposit highlighter because it's pretty gold, as you guys know. I'm looking at the picture again, and I'm actually seeing a lot of red in there. So I'm going to line my lips with this red lip pencil from Zaran. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply Ruby Woo by MAC. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I'm done with my makeup look. This is a really bold and daring look for me, which is why I said that this is me stepping out of my comfort zone. I tried to embody all the elements of the Taylor Swift screenshot in my look. I went ahead with the navy blue icy frost eyeshadow in my lid, red lips. I did a bit of the gold as my highlight. And yeah, this is how the look came out. If you guys like this look, please give this video a huge thumbs up. If you think this idea is really creative and nice as well, also give it a huge thumbs up, and let me know what you guys think about this look in the comment section down below, guys. I'd love to chat with you guys. I've really missed you guys so much. I'm going to pull up the picture, the Taylor Swift picture, somewhere here, so you guys can see if I really did this picture any justice. And yeah, guys, if you haven't seen Nikki Tutorials video, make sure you check it out. I'll have it linked down in the description box down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Comment down below, comment down below, comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!